Hi, I'm home-based travel business expert Dean Marino. Hey, have you noticed that with some businesses, it's really hard to make money? And maybe you've tried some of them and you haven't made money at them. And there's lots of travel businesses out there. It's the hottest business. It's growing 23% faster than the global economy, but they're not all created equal. Some are very difficult to make money with, and others are simple. And when I talk about simple, I'm not talking about like winning the lottery where you just pay money and then the money just starts rolling back into you. It's still a business. It still requires that you take action. But I would describe that action as, if you were to go river rafting and you put your raft in the water and you're going to flow down the river, as opposed to if you put that same raft in there and then you decided to go the other way upstream and you had to really work really hard and you're paddling and even if it's a weak current, it's still a lot of work to go the other way. So what makes what I would call an ELF business? An ELF business is one that is easy, it's lucrative, and it's fun. An ELF business. Well, what makes an ELF business? Well, you really have to have three key components. Number one, you have to have a quality product. It has to offer real value in the marketplace, and it has to be in demand, something that people really want. If that product really offers value, people could see that they're saving money by getting this product, that's going to diminish their resistance. That's going to, very simply, make it easier. It's also going to overcome that scam factor that y'all have to overcome when you're involved in a home-based businesses. Because there's a lot of scams out there. There's gifting schemes. There's others where they're selling, $100 or $200 worth of product for a couple $1,000s, and people are actually paying $2,000 to do that, hoping that they're going to be able to convince somebody else that they should overpay for the product because there's the dream that they might be able to make money with the business if they can convince other people to overpay as well. Now, I invite you to take a look at our membership product up at the website www.morevacationsamerica.com. Since 1985, this membership that we offer, it is sold at seminars for up to $12,000 over the last 2 years. It is sold for an average selling price of $9,200. The company even accepts credit cards, and there are payment plans that are available for somebody where maybe they don't even have a credit card that they could use for it. They can actually make payments on it. But that's only one of the aspects that you're going to need. You need to have that quality product. Number two, you need to have a simple, easy-to-use system that gets results, and we've got that in place, and you'll learn more about that up at the website. And you can have those two, but if you don't have this third key component, you're not going to make money, or if you do make money, it's going to be very hard. It's not going to be an ELF business, and that is you have to have the support system in place. You look at the support that I've got. We do live training twice a week that I personally host. Video on demand training. So if you missed one of those live trainings, you can go back and review the videos 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, right on the internet. And I'm personally available to my members for personal help, coaching, one-on-one sessions, whatever it is that they need. I'm available 7 days a week. Now, if you're missing any of these three key components, it's going to be a hard business. It's going to be hard to make money if you make any money at all. If you're going to go into business for yourself, you don't want to be all by yourself. You want to have that support. You want to have a product. You want to have a simple system. You want an ELF business. You want an easy, lucrative, and fun business. Now, again, I invite you to go up to my website and get more information. My name is Dean Marino. I'm the home-based travel business expert. I also invite you to personally speak with me before making any kind of a move in the entire home-based business arena. Again, my name is Dean Marino, and I'm here to help.